14 of the judgment. Only interim order has expired, only for extension of interim order.
You need to file a application.
Yes. Application is.
Then your matter will appear under the contested application. Under the
It already. I pay for the head of extension of interim order.
it will appear tomorrow.
Your Lordship, may I have a similar prayer for item 80, CRAN, item 80, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The interim order, the CRAN application has
All CRAN. We got.
for extension of interim order.
Yes, Mr. SEO. All CRAN should be listed tomorrow. Huh?
Extension of interim order नाम की ये तो नहीं है.
Application heading is there, Your Lordship.
Passport is not listing until interim order already vacated on 7th.
No, did you file your application within time? Then will appear in it. Will appear under the heading of contested application. All application you
Similar
all
prayer
of
for
all
item 80.
application, not required to
Application.
mention. All application will appear tomorrow.
ওই item 80 টা application heading এ থাকার জন্য। Sincerely obliged. Now what we have mentioned is
Why?
we have mentioned, Your Lordship, upon notice our matters
No,
may
will
with
appear.
some preference.
Okay, sure. Near. For the satisfaction of learned educate.
Sincerely obliged.
Yes. Yes.
Appearing.
Why this matter appear under the
Item number 24. Point number 24. Alipur हुआ वो होगा.
Judicial magistrate. It should be the judicial magistrate court Durgapur.
why judicial learned CGM?
Not civil.
Who is the competent court? Learned judicial magistrate?
Court Durgapur.
JM fourth court, Durgapur.
Durgapur. It was already mentioned by your lordship
One.
on page number 18. Page number 18.
Learned advocate for the petitioner. Drawn my attention towards a mistake cropped up in paragraph number 24 of the judgment dated 29th August 2025, passed in CRR 1299 of 2024, where inadvertently learned learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Alipur has been transcribed in place of learned Judicial Magistrate Fourth Court Durgapur. Let the necessary correction be made accordingly. The other portion of the judgment would remain intact.
This order may be part and parcel of
This,
the
yes, this order may be part and parcel of the judgment of the said judgment. Okay. CRAN 4 of 2025 is what is CRAN 4? What is CRAN 4?
CRAN
Yes.
for extension of interim order already disposed of. No.
Then why CRAN is still appearing? That's why.
Disposed.
Okay, thank you. Mr. SEO, please verify whether CRAN 4 has been disposed of
Disposed of.
there or not.
With my order. Order in the order sheet. Disposed of. 8, my lord,
Disposed
point
of.
number 20. The
Dis-
CRR 1299 of 2024, along with CRN 4 of
Okay,
2022,
okay.
disposed of.
All right, thank you.
All getting disposed.
Yeah.
Item number 2.
Yes,
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the opposite party number 1, 2 and 4.
yes. Why don't you appear every day? Yesterday, none represented the petitioner. Hmm. Yes, you are for the OP,
OP number 1, 2 and 4.
all OPs.
No, 3, my lord, the ex party. My lord, 3 runs.
The matter is
Expert.
proceeding experting.
You are for the OP number,
1, 3 and 4. But they are for the OP
you are
number
for the petitioner, Samir
for the
Ghosh.
petitioner plaintiff.
And you are for Kanan Bala Ghosh, Probir Ghosh and Biplo Ghosh. Yes,
Yes.
I am asking you.
1, 2 and my lord 4.
Oh, Biplo Ghosh is not represented.
Biplab.
Did you serve notice?
And I have served
Or
notice.
ex party. My lord,
The
Biplab is
report
running
not
as
yet
ex party.
updated.
Where is the affidavit of service?
It is not yet updated, but I cannot take the tag report because of the server problem. But I have
Um,
served the learned advocate in the court below.
No, that will not do. You have to serve notice afresh on OP number 3 and file affidavit by next date. Yes, take down. Learned advocate for the petitioner is present. OP number 1, 2 and 4 is represented by
Kishore Mukherjee advocate.
Mr. Did you file your vakalatnama?
Vakalatnama file on 9/9/2025.
Okay. However, none appears on behalf of OP number 3. Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to serve serve notice upon the petitioner number 3 afresh and file affidavit of service on the adjourned date. After a week,
Opposite party number 3. ma'am.
After
Opposite
vacation, my lord, after.
no.
After vacation.
Not after vacation, only for affidavit of service. Let appearance be completed. Thereafter, we'll certainly. I am not going to hear it on merit now. First, all the petitioner OP should appear. Yeah, on next. It will appear on 19th.
That's
Yes.
Item number 3.
Yes, sir. What is this application number 1?
But I tell you, Lordship.
Your Lordship,
Original revisional applications was made for quashing of a proceeding under section 498A and allied section.
What is in your application?
Present application is for stay. Present application is for stay.
CRAN 3. CRAN 3.
Yes, my lord, 10-3.
So why CRAN 1, 2,
Matter was once heard by your lordship. Lordship directed the parties to exchange affidavits fixing a date for particular date for hearing.
Yes.
Now, since lordship usually takes up the bench once in a week, my lord, that matter unfortunately did not reach. Now, the learned trial court, in the meantime, the learned trial court. Huh? Dini,
This is only for the application for stay.
yes. My lord,
Already granted earlier.
my lord, yes. My lord, what the learned trial court has said, This matter, এক মিনিট আমাকে
Yeah.
বলতে দাও। This matter was once heard by your lordship. Lordship directed for exchange of affidavits.
Hmm.
And my lord also fixed a particular date for final hearing. Now, in the meantime, my lord, this matter appeared before the learned trial court. Lordship will kindly see at paragraph 6 what the learned trial court says. Unless you bring some order from the honorable court, order for stay, I will issue warrant of arrest against all the petitioners who stay in Bihar. This is why, my lord, I am only praying until the matter is heard out by your lordship.
Yes. Many adjournment were granted only on your. Yes, yes,
My lord,
yes. Order dated 14th January
my lord,
2025.
on the prayer of state, my lord, what I am, my lord, what I
No,
am
on the
looking
ground
for
of illness of learned advocate for the petitioner.
I was ill for a
Then-
long time. My lord, I don't hide, I was ill for a long time.
Then you cannot
Prepared-
blow hot and cold.
No, not that. My lord, lordship will kindly
Then-
do not take me amiss.
And on last day,
My lord, what I am-
affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the OP party number 2, you,
Yes,
is served to the learned advocate for the petitioner.
yes.
Learned advocate for the petitioner prays for time to file reply. Where is your reply? Liberty is granted to the petitioner to file reply. Did you serve notice of your reply to
Yes,
OP?
yes, yes.
Did you receive?
কি বলছো তোমরা এই কি কি এনো এই যে everything has been solved. And only, my lord, only thing I was humbly praying unto your lordship, only thing, my lord, I was praying, my lordship kindly hear out the matter any day at your lordship's choice. Until then, my lord, let nothing be done.
You come prepare on next.
Any day, any day, any day.
You
my
come prepare on next week.
lord. Any day.
I am fixing it
Only except
on
Tuesday. Tuesday, I have an
No,
appointment.
Tuesday this court will not sit.
Any day, any day.
Any day on Friday.
Fine.
For? Yes, will pass order. Yes, take down. Learned advocate for the petitioner. File affidavit in reply against the affidavit in opposition filed by OP number 2 is taken on record. The copy thereof has already been served to the learned advocate for the OP number 2. Now let this matter appear on 19th September under the heading of hearing. Parties are directed to come prepare on the adjourned date.
My lord, on 25th, the date is fixed in the learned trial court.
Who come on?
My lord, if it is not heard on 19th,
Will consider. Will consider your prayer on that day.
that event, my lord, I may be granted liberty to mention before your lordship on 19th.
But
If it-
court will not sit, sir.
No, my lord, on 19th, if it is done, my lord, I am prepared. I am right now prepared.
However,
Anything-
you have always liberty to
My lord, only
keep
thing
your
I-
application here
my
on.
lord, only
raised
thing
date.
I am praying, only thing I am worried, lordship is in session of the matter. This matter was once heard by your lordship, and under that
But
circumstance.
I
the
forget
learned
everything.
court- The learned trial court, my lord, threatens to issue the warrant of arrest against all.
Court cannot threaten.
My lord,
Court is not police. It is your duty to convince court. Yes,
my lord,
court will never threaten.
no, not in that sense. My lord, we were told, unless you bring a stay order from the honorable court, I will issue warrant of arrest and bring all of them from Motihari, Bihar.
Uh,
No, that is the
Then-
difficulty.
Okay, we'll hear you. On
On
that.
19th.
Come prepare, yes. Yes, call it. Yes,
The allegation is only 498 as usual order another allegation against
your husband.
husband and aged lady who is the mother-in-law. And omnibus allegation is there. And allegation was that 2019 she left the matrimonial house. 2019. And the complaint was in the year 2023 for after 5 years. And it is the allegation that she was after the marriage matter, she was subjected as usual allegation was there. Charge is submitted and she took all her belongings in presence of the police officer, my lord, from the house.
Then you have challenged
Entire
the
proceeding.
entire proceeding.
Lordship.
Okay. What is the stage of hearing before the trial court?
Trial is going on, but not trial.
Charge framed?
No, till date. My situation is that charge is not.
Charge has not yet been framed. Yes. Come, take note. Learned advocate for the petitioner appears and submit that all the allegations are omnibus in nature, leveled against the petitioners being husband and mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law.
He further submit that OP wife
Number 2, my lord. Here.
OP number 2 wife voluntarily left her matrimonial house
In 2019.
in 2019 and lodged complaint
2nd September 2023.
on 2nd September 2023.
And after that, she also took her all belongings in presence of the police officer.
He
I have
took,
handed the entire document before lordship, my lord.
yeah, that will consider at the time of hearing. Huh. On perusal of on perusal of record and having heard the submission, I am of the view that a debatable question has been raised in this revisional application which requires detailed examination. Accordingly, this criminal revision is admitted for hearing. The petitioner is directed to serve notice along with a copy of a revisional application to the OP number 1 estate through the office of learned PP and OP number 2 wife at her residential at her postal address through a speed post with acknowledgement due. And
when the track report will be available if I don't annex the AD card. From the track report, it will appear whether she got it or not.
you may file your track report and file affidavit of service by the adjourned date. Let this matter appear. 1 week is sufficient?
One second.
Where-
After vacation.
Eh?
After vacation, my lord.
No, no.
Now I will serve by this week. By next
Vacation
week.
has not yet come.
By next week, I shall serve within 1 week.
Yes, Bali is.
No,
uh,
I shall serve by
Let this matter appear on 19th.
by September.
19th, yes.
Before vacation.
Yes, next week.
Before vacation. The loss will be very busy during the period. Well, kind of let you fix on
Vacation yet to come.
Okay.
Not yet come.
Development.
Item number 5.
Only their name
That is
would
the
be.
practice.
Yes.
That is the practice, Lordship knows better than.
He is asking me.
Now, Lordship, subject to approval, this
Yes.
application can be disposed of by today. Because this
Yes.
is an application where I'm actually being the de facto complaint of a GR case of 302, being for a direction for expedite the trial. Now, to be very honest, Lordship, recently Supreme Court says the High Court can't make any time frame. So I'm not asking for any time frame, Lordship. What I'm praying for, subject to approval, Lordship, kindly, because in this case, at this stage, though the charge sheet is against 15 accused person,
Hmm.
at this stage only 8 accused persons are facing the trial. Charges has been framed against 8
The
accused persons.
trial is started.
Trial started. Lordship, I'm telling Lordship can note down. On 10th of March 25,
Yes.
charges were framed against 8 accused persons.
Yes. Yes.
And PW1 was examined till date in part. There are total 29 accused person.
Hmm.
So there are other 7 accused persons are absconding till date. So what I am praying for, subject to approval,
Hmm.
Lordship kindly direct the learned trial court to at least 3 days in 2 months, and kindly also direct the public prosecutor, because my main difficulty in respect of that,
Yeah.
commons are not specifically served.
For that, do you think that any order or direction is required?
Nowadays, Lordship has vast experience than me.
No, no. Trial judge is sensible enough.
Lordship
They
kindly.
can understand and accommodate everything.
No, summons are not. Lordship knows. Court directs for issuance of summons.
Where is the address of the witnesses?
Lordship,
Are
this
they-
is of Krishnanagar Nodia. All the witnesses are from Nodia.
Oh. Okay, okay. This trial is also pending before the court of
Court of Additional Sessions Judge.
FTC Krishnanagar.
Correct.
Yes. So they are resident of.
So at least 3 dates in 2 months, 3 consecutive dates in 2 months.
So this schedule has already been expired,
This
exhausted.
Exhausted.
Then where is the next schedule?
Is after vacation. And not schedule, only one date.
What is in this matter?
302.
300. Oh, it will take some time. 300.
That's why, Lordship, I'm not saying for to be very honest, not any time frame that 1 year, 2 year. I'm not saying that. 29 witnesses, it will take some time. But if your Lordship directs that 3 consecutive days, at least in 2 months, then the trial can be completed by next 3 years.
Yes, state.
Lordship, this is motion stage.
Yeah.
Lordship can direct regularization. I can serve him here and now.
Yes. Serve him. Serve him immediately. But your prayer is under section 482.
Lordship, GR case. So that is why my post title is 482, but prayer is for expeditious disposal. Kindly see my prayer is for expeditious disposal. But 483 is for magisterial supervision.
Yes.
Now sessions judge supervision only under 482 or 227.
Yes, state, do you have anything to add? Yes, yes. Innocuous prayer is not. Learned advocate for the petitioner prays for and a direction upon the trial court for yes. Direction upon learned trial court Yeah, learned additional district and session judge, fast track, first court at Krishnanagar, Nadia. For expeditious disposal of session case number 137 bracket 2 of 2025 corresponding to session trial number Roman 4 bracket 3 of 2025. He submits that trial of this case has been started and the trial is pending for the examination, further examination of PW1. And when the next date is fixed?
Next date, 19th of September.
19th of September this month.
This month.
Then not after vacation.
I have doubt 19th of August, October, or September. That is why.
Then I am not
That is
going to
subject
refer.
approval. I
Yes.
can't.
की लिख लें last?
He submits that trial of this case has been started and the trial is pending for further examination of PW1.
PW1. Since the prayer is considering the innocuous nature of the prayer, learned trial court is directed to take necessary endeavor for expeditious trial of this of the case referred above. Accordingly, the revisional petition.
One line. By fixing frequent schedule at least 3 days. His lordship knows that
Expeditious is sufficient.
what I am,
Sufficient meaning.
while I am anticipating.
If possible, okay, kete din aage.
Trial court is directed to take necessary
Endeavor.
expeditious trial of the case
Uh,
referred above.
expeditious trial and disposal of this case, if possible, fix frequent schedule for the examination of witnesses. Accordingly, the disposed of, there is no order as to the court. Server copy.
I submit one thing.
Yes.
Kindly direct your lordship's court officer to take steps regarding the backside of your lordship. It looks very odd.
Oh.
দেখুন আর পুরো
Oh. এই admit to के yes.
My lord, I am for the petitioner.
Yes.
My lord, this is a
Good. दाब के रखिए. Yes, yes.
my lord, this is the NDPS matter. This application is for the quashing of the proceedings. I will just give a short brief to your lordship about where this started. My lord,
What is in your case?
my lord, this is an NDPS matter. My lord, he has been implicated in 6 NDPS cases in a short period of time. I'll just take short time to give you a short brief from where this has started. My lord, this petitioner, where he resides, he is basically a journalist and he's also associated with the political matters. Now, what happened? My lord, he used to look after the welfare of his own people. Now, due to erosion, now 15,000 acres of land has submerged into the Padda River. My lord, during that time, my lord, the line of control border security force shifted towards the Indian territory. Now, my lord, the problem arises when in the 1999, all the land re-emerged and again became suitable for cultivation. But the problem arose when the BSF denied to shift back to their own place. They took the charge of that village and they have stopped the villagers to cultivate, to reside in that own village. Now, my lord,
Cultivation of what?
sorry, my lord.
Cultivate?
They have the BSF have stopped the villagers to cultivate in their own land.
Okay.
So now this petitioner, as he is a journalist, he has started writing letters to different departments, different high-rank officials. Even, my lord, if you come to para uh, 4 of my application, he has written several letters and appeals to the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, Home Minister.
Yes. You are continuing writing since last 10 years.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, in order to suppress his voice,
Do you
he-
think that by writing letters you will get sufficient relief? What is the stage of
my lord, I have
trial? Whether trial is started?
my lord, charge has not yet been framed. I have
Did you appear?
yes,
Are you on bail?
yes, my lord. I have been implicated in 6 cases. In one case, I have been acquitted. In other cases, I am on bail. My lord, just to suppress
Go and face trial.
my lord, 10 years charge has not yet been framed. My lord, this is nothing.
For that, your conduct is also required to be looked into. Na?
My lord,
Why charge has not yet been framed?
my lord, may I kindly see para 9. I have given a whole chart of the proceedings, how it is going. My lord, dates are like in a year, there are only 2 dates given, 3 dates given.
Take down.
My lord, kindly consider 10 years. I have
The dead advocate for the petitioner submit that petitioner, how many petitioner? Only one petitioner is falsely implicated in this case by BSF personals. He was prohibited to cultivate his own land.
villagers, my lord.
Huh?
He and his villagers.
No,
Basically.
I am talking about only petitioner.
Like he's a
Villagers are
journalist.
not before me.
Like
How
he's
can
a
I say?
journalist.
He was
Uh,
permitted to cultivate.
Cultivate in his own land situated at Indo-Bangladesh border. At India, Indo-Bangladesh border. At and around. He is journalist by profession and charge has not yet been framed. Upon perusal of record, material on record, and considering the submission of learned advocate for the petitioner, I am of the view that a debatable question is involved in this revisional application, which requires detailed examination. Accordingly, this criminal revision is admitted for hearing. The petitioner is directed to serve notice along with a copy of this application to OP number 1 through the office of learned PP and submit and file affidavit of service by the adjourned date. Let this matter appear on 19th. 19th.
Obliged, your lordship.
Yes. Yes. None appears on behalf of the petitioner. Let this matter appear in list tomorrow.
Lordship, I appear for the petitioner seeking expeditious disposal of this case arising from. Lordship, the case was 12/9/2016. It was registered under
Your
section
petitioner.
324.
What is this case?
Lordship, it was registered.
Briefly. Yes,
Lordship,
for
the case
expeditious
under-
and proper disposal of the case, case being at the pending before the matrimonial suit.
No, Your Lordship, this is
What is-
under.
oh,
My lord, that is my lord, my petition, I probably my lord, this 9, item number 9. Item number 9, my lord, I think, my lord.
Please wait. We are on item number 8.
My lord, item number 8, my lord, I think, my lord, it is matching with item number 9. That is why, my lord.
No, no. Please wait for a while. Yes.
This is a case under section 324, instituted against the present petitioner, instituted in the year 2016. Sheet thereafter filed in December 2016.
Yes.
Case
Who instituted?
Sorry.
Who lodged complaint against you?
It was a simple case of hurt. There are allegations that he came and hit him with a stick. My neighbor instituted this case against me in September 2016.
Yeah.
She filed in December 2016.
Yes.
Thereafter, your lordship, from 20.
What is the stage of trial?
In 2023.
Yes.
Trial started thereafter until now, after
Not concluded.
only one witness has been examined in part. In part, that your lordship. There are total 6 witnesses. So we are apprehending, your lordship, that since 2017 till 2025, 8 years have elapsed, your lordship. Only one witness has been examined in part. Therefore, your lordship, making an innocuous prayer of expeditious disposal.
Yeah. No. Learned advocate for the petitioner prays for expeditious disposal of miscase number 255 of 2021 pending before Learned Court of CJM Kalyani Nadia.
For second.
Lordship, pending before
He submits,
second court Shial of 24 months. First I did. Would show.
but you are mentioning something 3227. Divacharya.
We have to have.
It's myself, my lord, my petition, my lord.
Oh,
Divacharya is my petition. That is why, my lord, I have.
just wait, just wait. We'll take up your petition after this.
Divacharya's name has been said, my lord. That is why, my lord, I am.
Yeah, my take down.
The disposal of case number.
No. Expeditious disposal of proceeding of GR number 3075 of 2016 arising out of Maniktala Police Station case number 320 of 2016 dated 12th September 2016 under section 324 of the IPC pending before Learned Judicial Magistrate Second Court Sialda South 24 Pagnas. He submits that one prosecution has been brought against the petitioner by his neighbor in 2016. The charge has been framed in 2023. 23. Out of 6 PW, examination of PW1 is going on. When was the last date?
So as per our information, 23rd July 2025.
What happened on that
for the
day?
cross-examination.
What happened on that day? Cross-examination completed or still?
Still going.
It was fixed on what July? 23rd July 2025 for cross-examination of PW1, but not yet completed. When the next date is fixed?
Okay, I'll have to take instruction.
You should come considering. Yeah, so he prays for a direction upon learned trial judge to take necessary endeavor for expeditious trial and disposal of this case. Considering the innocuous nature of the prayer, state has any objection? Delay trial is necessary. Considering the innocuous nature of prayer, learned advocate for the state did not raise any objection. All right? Yeah. Yes. That would go in your favor. Otherwise, I may leave estate And without hearing estate, I will pass order. Yes. ये लिख लें last.
Considering the inequality nature of the clear learned adverse for the state, we cannot raise any of them.
Accordingly, learned trial judge is directed to take necessary endeavor for conclusion of trial and expeditious conclusion of trial and disposal of the case by accommodating this case by granting short adjournment if necessary. Accordingly, this revisional application is disposed of. There is no order as to the cost. Urgent photo state copy. Thank you.
My lord, this is my application, my lord. It's a yes, my lord, it is a maintenance case, my lord. It is started, my lord. It is started, my lord, in the year 2021, 17th day of September 2021. The opposite party appeared in the said case on 27th day of 12, 2021. And my lord, interim order was made. Thereafter, my lord, evidence date is started, my lord. But the opposite party number 2 on different pretexts is taking time. That is why, my lord, today the next date is fixed on 16th day of December 2025. So, my lord, a specific direction may kindly be given to the, my lord, learned court below, so that the matter would be ended up.
Yes, take down. ওই যে আগে বলেছিলাম সেটাই থাকবে হ্যাঁ
মানে time bound direction may kindly be given, my lord.
বলেছিলাম তো হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা নাও learned advocate for the petitioner submits that a maintenance case is pending since 2021. What is the stage of hearings, Mr. Kaur? Oh. Before learned trial court. এইভাবে হবে না তুমি আগে লিখো learned advocate for the petitioner prays for yes I wanted to know the stage of hearing. You are not audible.
Petitioner's evidence has been started. Petitioner's evidence has been completed. Now, OP member, my lord, OP number 1 evidence has been completed. OP number 2, that is the father of the husband, my lord, on different pretexts is taking time. That is why it has not been completed.
So now
now
it is on the verge of the completion of hearing.
Yes, my lord, but it is pending since the year, my lord, evidence is started in the year 2022. Thereafter, my lord, for their reason, 3 years have been passed. That is why, my lord, finding no other alternative, I have come before your lordship. But it is a maintenance case. I am deciding.
Any direction is necessary.
Yes, my lord. A specific direction is necessary.
Let me pass order.
Yes,
learned advocate for the petitioner prays for expeditious hearing of Miss Case number 255 of 2021 pending before learned court of CJM Kalyani Nadia.
ACJM, my lord, that should be ACJM, my lord. It is wrongly written, my lord. That should be ACJM, my lord. ACJM, my lord.
Yes, yes. Yeah. So tell your junior to come and correct.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. I will call him and he will come.
Yes,
He will come, my lord.
Yes, CJM Kalyani Nadia, where this matter is pending at the stage of hearing since 2022. In the meantime, evidence of petitioner and OP number 1 has been completed and is pending for the evidence of PW2. Part hearing is
Yes, part evidence has been made, my lord. It is not completed. Part evidence has been made.
And part evidence of OP number 2 has also been recorded, and now it is pending for completion of his evidence. Considering the innocuous nature of the prayer, petitioner is exempted from the service of notice to OP. একে আগেই বলতে হবে, একে আগেই বলতে হবে, প্রথমে করে দিতে হবে যে তারপরে considering the submission of the petitioner and the material available on record, a learned trial judge is directed to take necessary endeavor to conclude the hearing of Miss Case number 255 of 2021 as early as possible. Accordingly, as early as possible.
My lord, a time-bound direction may can be made, my lord. Time-bound, my lord. I am, my lord, with my daughter, my lord, is under stringent financial stringency, my lord.
Direction, Supreme Court has deprecated such type of practice. So,
my lord, that's, my lord, in the bail application, my lord, not in the general, my lord. That was made, but in the bail application.
You may go and make submission before learned trial judge and learn.
So, my lord, something may kindly be given. Otherwise, my lord, court will not hear us, my lord. Your lordship has vast knowledge.
If possible, may accommodate short adjournment accordingly. The petition is disposed of. There is no order as to the cost.
Highly obliged, my lord. Highly obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Item number 10.
Item number 10, my lord, I beg to appear for the petition.
Yes.
Petitioners before your lordship, my lord, are mother-in-law, father-in-law, and husband. 498 proceeding, my lord. The FIR was lodged, my lord, on 12th September 2023. The allegations are, my lord, the solemn marriage occurred on
Your husband and mother-in-law.
Husband, mother-in-law, and father-in-law, my lord.
Oh.
All the in-laws. Marriage occurred, my lord, on 11th April 2022. Subsequent to that, my lord, she left
11th April?
11th April 2022, my lord. And the petitioner number 3, who is the husband before my petitioner number 3 before your lordship is the husband, my lord, and the OP2, they got separated, my lord, on 28th May 2023. And the FIR was lodged 5 months subsequent to that. So there is a 5 months delay which has not been explained, my lord. The FIR was lodged on 12 September 2023, general and omnibus allegations, my lord. One thing, my lord, I would like to point out still, if my lord can kindly come to page number 28 in the letter of complaint.
Yes, complaint.
My lord, fifth line from the bottom. If my lord can see, she has already mentioned that during the marriage, she already came back to her parental residence. She stayed there for 6 months, and the marriage itself is, my lord, a year long. And in between, she also went back to her parental residence. She stayed there for 6 months. Then again, she came back. Then she got separated with her husband. And 5 months subsequent to that, she went ahead and lodged the complaint.
Yes.
All the, my lord,
down.
allegations. My lord, I'm praying for stay, my lord. The petitioner number 1 and 2, my lord, both are senior.
What is the stage of
My lord, as
stage before the trial court?
my lord, as per my, they have got obtained bail, my lord, as per my instructions.
Investigation completed?
My lord, as per my instructions, the charge sheet has not yet been filed. As far,
Why?
my lord, I don't have that instruction at present, my lord, but as far
More
as
than 2 years has been
my
left.
lord, as far as my instruction goes, charge sheet has not yet been filed. My lord, I'm still a bit unsure on that part.
Then come tomorrow after um,
My lord, then kindly passes it over, my lord, then I shall take up that instruction, my lord, kindly.
FIR is there,
FIR is there, my lord.
written complaint. You come after taking necessary instruction.
My lord, passes it over, my lord, I shall take up that instruction right now.
Very well. Pass it over.
Take over.
Yes.
Item number 11.
Yes. Give me. None appears on behalf of the parties. Yeah, on behalf of the petitioner. Let this matter appear tomorrow. For passing order. Let this matter appear tomorrow. Under the same heading.
Item number 12.
Same order. Same order. देखिए आगे कोई order नहीं तो ठीक same order. Why? No, no. One order must be there. Thereafter, I will proceed for further step. Otherwise, in item number? But yes.
I'm praying for expeditious disposal of a GR case, my lord, filed by the wife against the husband and other in-laws.
What is the stage before the trial court?
But the evidence has started, evidence of PW1 has been held in part.
Yes.
And,
How many witnesses are there?
my lord, the prosecution proposed to examine 5 witnesses.
5.
My lord, the evidence of
When the evidence was started, evidence of PW1 was started.
18th April 2023, my lord. It was made in part, my lord. Thereafter, the evidence has not yet been completed. My lord, after the evidence, my lord, we have come before this honorable court, my lord. The order is at page 13 of my application, my lord. There, the Honorable Justice Subhra Ghosh had directed to expedite the trial, my lord. But
Then
no progress as yet.
where this Alipur, it is very difficult. Thousands of thousand cases are pending there.
Only 5 witnesses, my lord.
No, you are telling only 5, but no, already direction is given.
Yes, my
That
lord.
direction you,
The order was communicated.
you go and place this order before the trial court.
The order was communicated on, my lord, kindly see, my lord. Last but one page of the certified copy, my lord. Order dated 22nd August 2024, my lord.
Order dated
22nd August 2022.
accused persons have taken their respective steps along with file a copy of order of the take down. Petitioner submits that
Second August 2024. তারপরে
you are husband,
husband and other in-laws,
that they are husband and in-laws of OP number. Wife is not implicated. Wife is not implicated.
5 plus the complainant.
Of the complainant wife, Suman Sen. The trial is started when the trial was started.
The trial started, my lord,
That on London Magistrate.
18th April 2023, my lord.
Okay. The trial of case के reference দিয়েছি একে আর লিখো কি লিখেছো হুম হুম on the complaint of on her complaint GR case number 1261 of 2021 ACGR number 2663 of 2020 arising out of Parnasri Police Station case number 119 of 2020 dated 10th June 2020 under section 498A 406 354C 506 34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 and section 3/4 of the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961 was started and trial was started and after Conclusion of trial. A conclusion of investigation. Trial of this case was started on 18th April 2024, 23 before the court of learned judicial magistrate, before learned judicial magistrate 4th court Alipur 24 Parganas South. And till then examination of PW1 has not been PW1 examination of PW1 was started, which is still continuing. Out of remaining with in the meantime, petitioner filed CRR 2646 of 2024 for the order of expeditious trial which was disposed of on 18th July 2024 by this court with necessary direction upon learned trial court, but no material progress has yet been noticed. Learned trial judge is directed to take all necessary endeavor for conclusion of trial. My conclusion for expeditious conclusion of trial and disposal of this case by granting short adjournment if necessary. Accordingly, the instant CRR 3232 of 2025 is disposed of. There is no order as to the cost. Urgent photostat copy. Yes.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. The case of the expeditious disposal, my lord. The wife, opposite party have filed respecting the GR case number 1098 of 2023 under section 498A 406 of the Indian Penal Code and 4 of the Dowry Provision Act against the husband, father-in-law.
You are husband. You are husband.
I'm husband. I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner 1, 2, and 3. The petitioner 1 is husband, 2 is a father-in-law, and 3 is a mother-in-law. 2 and 3 of the petitioner are the senior citizen. Not only that, the petitioner 2 is suffering from urological problem and various diseases. I have already annexed those copies. Kindly, if you kindly trouble to turn
yes
page 17, 18. 1920.
What is the stage of trial before that?
My lord, kindly, if your lordship kindly look last order, 18 March 2024. Prior to that, trial, my lord, kindly trial judges give unnecessary adjournment. And- Well, kindly see the last order, 21st May 2025.
Charge has not yet been framed.
Charge sheet has been framed. Charge
Charge
sheet has submitted, and CS charge sheet witness 1 has
To
examined.
summon CSW 1, 2,
And
3.
matter is fixed for February 2026, my lord. I am,
No, trial is started.
my lord, kindly.
CSW 1, yeah.
Well, 2 days.
What happened on
Prior to that,
21st?
but prior to that, if you lordship kindly travel 31st January 2024 and 18 March 2024 without giving any reason, learned court below as give adjournment. Therefore, I am suffering, my lord. I am the senior citizen. We are a senior citizen and also suffering various.
Take down. Petitioner
And matter is fixed by February 2026 after
is
1
the
year.
husband, father-in-law, mother-in-law of complainant wife. What is the name of wife?
Wife and not
Ria Santara.
Hariya Shantara.
Upon her complaint, Singur Police Station case number 253 of 23, dated 19th June 2023 under section 498A 406 of IPC was started against the petitioner. The charge against them has been framed on 26th April 2024. CSW1 examination of CSW number 1 is going on, and 13th February 2026 is fixed for his further cross-examination. Petitioner prays for a direction upon the trial court for expeditious hearing and disposal of this case. Considering the innocuous nature of the prayer, learned
Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Chandannagar.
learned Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Chandannagar Hooghly is directed to take necessary endeavor for expeditious hearing and disposal of this case by granting short adjournment if necessary. Accordingly, the CRR 3233 of 2025 is disposed of. There is no order.
Kindly want indulgement without giving any unnecessary adjournment.
Yes, unnecessary
Adjournment.
without giving unnecessary adjournment, and if necessary, accommodate this case with short adjournment.
My lord,
Yeah.
one more intelligence, my lord. Kindly, it is a case of the single police case number 235 of 2023, corresponding to GR case number 1098 of 2023.
Corresponding to GR.
Kindly recall.
All details.
GR case number 1098 of 2023.
1098
Corresponding
2020.
to GR case number.
Did you understand?
Will you apply?
Thank you. Thank you.
Item number, my lord.
Wait. Wait.
My lord, all the three matters, my lord, cannot be taken up analogously now. My lord, 15, 16, and 7.
Yes, sure.
Yes, my lord, similar, my lord, the complainant or the de facto complainant, opposite party number 2 is the same. And there are three sister concerns. My lord. Yeah, my lord, my sole contention before my lord is, if my lord kindly takes up,
The record to the.
नहीं यार सुन तो इसमें वो लगा हुआ है.
I am on item number 15.
If my lord kindly takes up item number 16, my lord, 15, ठीक है चलो. ये ना. My lord, the case before my lord is.
Yes.
This has been issued under section 204 or against me under section 420 and 406 of the Indian Penal Code. Now, my lord, I am on 3 points of law. First of all, my lord, 2024 Honorable Supreme Court's judgment that 406 and 420 cannot be read in a single breath. That has been the law under Article 141 because it has been delayed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Second, my lord, what point I am trying to impress, the line of argument as far as on law is concerned, my lord, whenever a learned magistrate comes to a finding, prima facie finding, and has reasons to believe that there is offense made out under section 420 and 406 from the clear reading of the petition of complaint and the deposition. And then after that, he issues summons. If he has any doubt, he will ask the police to make an inquiry.
Yes.
Now, my lord, first I would like to place before my lord, three are identical. My lord, here there was a continuous transaction between the complainant, accused, and the opposite party number 2 of garments which was continuing for the last more than 12 years.
Okay.
So the account between us was mutual, open, and current.
Yes.
Now, my lord, in these 10 years, there have been many issues with regard to payment. Some goods were declared to be bad, returned. It was out and out a commercial dispute. Commercial relationship is there. Now, my lord, lastly, and this, as my lord, happens in cloth merchants of 2, because my client is having a shop in Madras, that is in Chennai.
Yes.
So there was this particular middle agency whose name was MB agency, which used to work as an agent between the de facto complainant and myself, and all the checks were being issued, were given to him to be given to the opposite party number 2. Those checks were in the name of the opposite party number 2 only.
Yes.
Just because a no objection or clearance was also given. Now, my lord will kindly see. If my lord kindly comes to page 42 first. This is, my lord, if my lord kindly sees at page 42 na 30.
42 is agent letterhead. To manage.
My lord will kindly come to page 30. पहले payment दिखाओगे तब ना 42 पे आओगे.
Yes.
My lord will kindly come to page 38 first. This is, my lord, the last payment when the matter was squared off in 2022.
Yes.
We had made last full and final payment. That is at page 39. If my lord kindly comes.
Yeah.
My lord will kindly see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth line from the bottom of page 39. My lord has got it. Fifth line from the bottom of page 39.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3. Fifth line, my lord will kindly see.
Yes.
Trishul Delcom, which is the opposite party number 2 complainant. He was paid 6 lakhs. Then again, my lord, on 6th December 2022, he was made, again payment was made of rupees 5 lakhs. These 2 entries, my lord can find.
Yes.
Then my lord will kindly come to page 41. Again, my lord will kindly find sixth line, sixth row.
All payments were made in connection with your business transaction.
Business transaction. My lord, what I
So there is no element of cheating.
no, yes. And also criminal breach of trust.
Yes.
This is the hallmark of my argument, nothing more, nothing less. Now, my lord will kindly say, and there is the best part is, my lord, I have just for my interest, I would like to show it to my lord. In the petition of complaint, it is written that the complainant has not taken goods from me. He has taken logistic service. He, in his deposition, says that he has given me garments. So there is a total departure from the petition of complaint where he says that he has supplied me logistics. Logistics means, my lord, transportation. His transportation goods from Kolkata to Chennai. In his deposition before the learned magistrate, he is saying that he has given goods, which is totally to the contrary from whatever has been stated in the petition of complaint. Now, the learned magistrate, without seeing this particular departure, issues mechanically process under 406 and 4020 totally, not only taking in total ignorance to Article 141 and the judgment, but also the facts. Now, my lord will kindly come to the petition of complaint. If my lord kindly lays my lord's hands at page 49. Lordship will kindly see what I was trying to.
I am there.
My lord will kindly come to page 49.
Complaint.
Lordship will kindly see page 49. Sanjay Agarwal, he is the owner of Trisul Delcom, which I showed the company which has taken money. Now, my lord will kindly see charges under 318(4) and 316, which is akin to 420 and 406 of the old act. My lord will kindly see charge at page 440.
Petitioner is Ratna
my lord,
Estate Private
yes,
Limited.
Akshay Estate Private Limited. That is, my lord will kindly see proprietor Sri Ratna Estate Private Limited. This.
But here,
yes,
allegation was brought against.
No, my lord, I tell you.
Selva Ratnin.
No, my lord will kindly see proprietor of Sri Ratna Akshay. Proprietor. Who is the proprietor?
Yes, yes, yes.
I am Akshay.
Yes, yes, yes. Got it.
South Indian names, no, my lord, they are confused and they are such long names. Now, my lord will kindly see charge under 318(4) and 316(2), which is akin to 406 and 4. Now, my lord, I would like to place the petition of complaint, page 50.
What are the corresponding section of IPC?
My lord, IPC is 406 and 420.
Oh, sorry.
Verbatim, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Now, my lord, will kindly see paragraph 3 at page 50. That the above named, why, my lord, I'm playing, other matters are also identical, my lord. It's identical, same complaint, stereotype as it happens in one company.
Why three separate cases?
Because, my lord, there are 3 companies. I have 3 clients and all 3 used to supply goods.
Okay, okay.
So, in one go, all 3 have been filed to different cases. My lord, it could have been made into one, but it is
in all 3 cases, you have been prosecuted under section 406 and 400.
Identical, everything identical.
For 3 separate transactions.
3 separate. Because the entities are 3 different entities. There are 3 different companies, therefore 3 different.
Oh, yes.
Now, my lord will kindly come to paragraph 3. That the above named accused person approached the complainant company for providing logistic service. My lord will kindly make a note.
Yes, yes.
Accordingly, the accused has applied for taking ladies' garments related goods from the complainant, and the logistic service were giving to the accused on credit basis between the complainant company and the accused will repay the due money of goods. Now, my lord, he comes to paragraph 5. The accused was not repay the said due amount of money of logistic services to the complainant company till a sum of rupees 29 lakhs 22,625,000 together with interest and charges. In exchange, Sanjay Agarwal, owner of Trisul Delcom Limited, so and so, had a valid and confirmed order. Then, my lord, again he comes. The complainant gave a required service time to time to the credit basis in his booked. Now the bill is raised of 29 lakhs 22,000 so and so together with interest and charges. The complainant has notified about this regarding the payment to the accused person and the remaining amount, but he did not pay the remaining. So, my lord, the entire story is that he has supplied me with services. And, my lord, will kindly see paragraph 12, the management of the complainant company disbursed the said goods on the credit of accused fully so and so. Now, my lord, so it is on logic. Now, my lord will kindly come to a deposition at page 48. My lord has got page 48.
Yes, back there.
Yes, my lord. Because certified copy is there. So but it's like that, my lord. My lord will kindly allow me to read. I, Sanjay Agarwal, owner of Trishul Delcom Private Limited. So and so, this is why. Now, my lord, the first paragraph, last but 2 lines. Our company is engaged in the business of manufacture of ready-made garments items to its suppliers. So, my lord, petition of complaint giving me logistic supply. Deposition, he does not have any logistic business, but he has business of wholesale garments. Now, my lord, the next paragraph. That the above named accused person approached the complainant company for purchasing ready-made garments, totally in contradiction with the petition of complaint. Items to purchase for the business from the complainant being complainant herein and during the normal course of business.
Okay, prima facie.
Prima facie. Now, my lord will kindly see the entire thing is prima facie. Now, my lord will just, I will take 30 more seconds, my lord. Just, my lord will kindly. My lord will
I am under pressure of
my lord, 30 seconds. My lord, I will not press the other 2 applications, my lord. This is all 3.
Okay.
15, 16, 17, my lord. Now, my lord will kindly come to page 46, which is the order impugned. Here, my lord, the learned magistrate comes to the finding, today is fixed for return of notice and appearance, my lord, that goes. Now, my lord will kindly come to a considered portion of the order. Page 46.
Yes.
Considered portion. Lordship has got considered portion?
Yes, considered.
The complainant and other witness are present along with their learned advocate. The complainant is examined under 223 of BNSS. On doc of PW2, complainant is directed to produce all relevant documents connected to the allegations made in the petition, peruse the documents, affidavits and petition complaint, find a prima facie case. Where is the prima facie case, my lord? He is saying in his petition of complaint that he was giving me logistic service. So if 406 comes, it will be on him because I have entrusted him with the goods.
Then you have challenged
the
order of
issuance,
cognizance.
yes, order of issuance of process. Now, my lord, my predicament is that my lord, warrant of arrest has been issued.
Here?
My lord, quashing of the proceeding.
Quashing of the
proceeding. And my lord will kindly come to page. And if my lord kindly allows me, I may place those 2 judgments of 2025 SCC and 2024 SCC. My lord will kindly come to page 37, my lord. My lord, this is my interim prayer which I am praying for. Page 37, my lord. Stay, my lord, for a limited stay be granted, my lord, with regard to the, because warrant of arrest has been issued.
Just a minute. Page
37, lordship.
Pending hearing of the rule.
Stay all further proceedings of this, my lord. Because, my lord, prima facie, my lord, 406 and 420 cannot be issued at the same breath. If my lord kindly allows me.
These are the matter of trial and hearing on merit.
My lord, this is 2024 Supreme Court. My lord.
Yes, I know.
Here, my lord, just for my satisfaction, paragraph 54, my lord will kindly take a note. Nothing more, nothing less.
Paragraph
54, my lord. Last page of the judgment.
Race course.
When dealing with private complaints, my lord will kindly come to last page of 2024-10 SCC 690. Page paragraph 54.
Yes.
When dealing with the private complaint, the law enjoins upon the magistrate a duty to meticulously examine the contents of the complaint so as to determine whether the offence of cheating or criminal breach of trust, as the case may be, is made out from the averment made in the complaint. The magistrate must carefully apply his mind to ascertain whether the allegation as stated genuinely constitutes the offence. In contrast, when the case arises from an FIR, this is the responsibility of the police to thoroughly ascertain whether the allegation leveled by the informant indeed falls within the category of cheating and criminal breach of trust. Now, my lord, before that, the paragraph is this, that, my lord, 406 and 420 cannot be issued together. That, my lord, is at paragraph. My lord will kindly bear me. That is at paragraph 51, 52. That civil suit. 51, 52 and 53, and lordship may also go through paragraph 38 to 42 where it has been specifically said that one has to take into consideration cheating and criminal breach of trust. They cannot go together.
38 to 42.
42 is the analysis of all the previous judgments. And my lord, it has been specifically, the trial courts have been directed, if my lord sees in paragraph 53, it is indeed very sad to note that even after these many years, the court has not been able to understand the distinction between criminal breach of trust and cheating. This is paragraph 53, last two lines. So, my lord, here is the case where Supreme Court has deprecated issuance of process under both sections. Leave apart. So, this is under Article 141. This is the law of the land, which all the trial courts are. Now, my lord, 2024, Millard. Now, Millard, therefore, Millard, let me go serve notice and come, Millard. But, Millard, warrant of arrest has been issued. So, Millard, I'm beseeching my lord for an interim protection, Millard. My person stays in Chennai, Millard. Some interim protection. Millard, the same factual matrix with regard to 3235 and 3236, Millard. I, as my lord's officer, vouches, Millard. This same. So, my lord can dispose of, Millard. All three together.
Yes, take down.
And I apologize for taking a lot of time.
It's all right. Oh. You are doing your work. Nothing.
I'm grateful for my lord.
Learned advocate for the petitioner is present and submits that petitioner is the proprietor of page number 49. Proprietor of
Ratna Akshay Estate Private Limited. Who is the, which is the, Millard?
Where is page number?
Accused in the case, Millard.
49. Yes.
Millard, first page of the petition.
Yeah.
Millard, Millard,
is proprietor of Sri Ratna
Tilvaratnam
Estate Private Limited, a company incorporated under the provision of Company Act. One complaint was lodged against OP number 2 complainant. One complaint was lodged by OP number 2. Complainant OP number 2 Sanjay Agrawal before the Court of Learned CJM, Calcutta,
Millard, which was then transferred to the learned 13th Judicial Magistrate, Kolkata.
Upon which Learned CJM has taken cognizance of the offence on 20th February 2025 under section 318 bracket 4.
Lordship, the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate had transferred it to the court of the learned 13th court at home.
But
Millard will kindly see.
Yes,
from the certified copy.
Who transferred? Who transferred?
On 10/12/2024.
Who transferred it to the Court of Learned 13th Judicial Magistrate, Calcutta,
for inquiry and disposal.
For inquiry and disposal. After inquiry, Learned 13th Judicial Magistrate has taken cognizance of the offence by his order dated 20th February 2025. Taking cognizance of the offence under section
318 within bracket 4 oblique 316 within bracket 2 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. BNS.
Yes. and directed to, where is the direction to issue?
My lord, the last paragraph of the order. Accordingly, issue summons, accused against for his or his trial for the alleged commission of offence under section 318/316(2). My lord,
And directed to issue summons against the petitioner. What happened on 21st March?
my lord, warrant was issued, my lord. Because we challenged this order, my lord. If my lord kindly comes to the
Where
next
is the,
page.
where is the said order?
My lord, next page, my lord.
You have challenged that order, no?
Yes, my lord. Both issuance of process and this, my lord. My lord, will kindly come to the next page.
Subsequently, yes, subsequently, order to issue warrant of arrest against the petitioner was passed on 21st March 2025. Both orders are impugned in this revisional application. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the allegation of criminal breach of trust and cheating could not run concurrently. In support of his contention, he referred paragraph number 38 to 42 and 51 to 54 of Delhi Race Club 1940 Limited and others versus State of Uttar Pradesh and Andhra 2024 bracket 10 SCC 690, wherein in support where it is. He also submits that there is material contradiction in the content of complaint and
deposition,
evidence of deposition of complainant Sanjay Kumar Agrawal, which directly touches the root of the case. Touches root of as due to inherent contradictions in I do not think that mentioning of everything is required.
No, because the prima facie
it
case
is not required to be.
because
He further stated
prima facie case could not be made out.
yes,
Because
yes. For that I have made
grateful.
some reference. He further pointed that petitioner, a complainant, claimed that what is his claim?
My lord, he has given logistic support.
That his company, he company, what is the name of his company?
Page 48, deposition says that he
his company,
manufacturer of ready
Trishu
vehicle.
Dealcom Private Limited, was for providing logistics service but in deposition
At page 48, my lord, deposition.
recorded at page 48 of the petition application.
Engaged
He
in
deposed-
business of manufacturing.
He deposed that his company was for purchasing ready-made garments item to purchase for their business from the complainant being a complainant, and during the normal course of business from the complaint. That's all. Accordingly, he submits that prima facie no case has been made out against the petitioner and allegations are omnibus in nature,
The dispute is civil in nature, my lord. That is also.
The
dispute is civil in nature, my lord. That also I submitted, my lord.
Not
my lord, whatever, my lord.
having heard the learned counsel and upon perusal of the materials on record, I find a debatable issue has been raised which requires a detailed hearing. Accordingly, the criminal revision is admitted for hearing. The petitioner is directed to serve notice along with a copy of this revisional application to OP number 1 through the office of learned PP and OP number 2 at his postal address through a speed post with AD and file affidavit of service on the adjourned date. How
My lord, stay in between because warrant is pending, my lord. If we
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much time you need?
My lord,
By the adjourned date.
My lord, any date whichever suits my lord.
After a week or 2
My lord,
weeks?
this side of the vacation, my lord, is overburdened with so many matters. My lord, I can come back, but if that hearing takes place, my lord,
I want to put this matter in.
yes, my lord, I am ready. I am ready to hear. My lord, this is a very small matter, my lord. I am ready, my lord. Whenever my lord puts it, I have no. But my lord, on the 17th or 18th, my lord will not put anything after that, my lord. Maybe on the 19th or something like that. My lord. If my lord at all wants to put it on the next week. But my lord, kindly grant a limited period of stay, my lord, because the next date is fixed on the 17th before the learned court below.
By the adjourned date. হয়ে গেছে? However, all the further proceeding, not further.
My
However,
lord, at page 37. Page 37, Lord.
37.
My lord, the prayer portion, my lord.
Yeah. However, prayer of learned advocate, prayer of learned advocate for the petitioner for
stay of all further.
A stay of
Stay of all further proceedings of case and the warrant, my lord.
Where presently pending further including the order of the essence of warrant of arrest. Let's be pleased to yeah. কি লিখলেন? Yeah. To stay all further proceeding of CS 287865 of 2024
pending before the learned
pending before the learned judicial magistrate 13th court at Calcutta,
including the order of issuance of warrant.
Including the order of issuance of warrant, of arrest.
Lordship. This stay may be granted.
Shall remain stay.
This may be granted to
For a period of a week.
My lord,
after.
But if in case the matter is not taken up again, I have to come and mention and get it listed as the extension. My lord, let it be
complete.
My lord, I apologize. My lord, old age exuberance, my lord.
You didn't teach, sir. You didn't teach, sir. This is your failure.
For this minute, I have been admonished, and I take always.
A week after vacation.
I am grateful. I have learned my way from two honorable seniors of this particular institution.
Yeah.
Hello, the same orders may be passed, my lord. Only the numbers of the case before the learned
Let this matter appear on 19th. 19th?
Lordship.
E holo 15.
But on 19th of September.
Similar.
My lord is keeping on 19th of September.
Yes.
My lord. Achha, khali
for filing of
yes, affidavit of service. Yes. আচ্ছা একটা বলি হলো 17তে ওয়ারেন্ট নেই, তাহলে ওখানে জাস্ট ওয়ারেন্ট আছে। হ্যাঁ 16 will be the same.
নামগুলো দেখে নেবে,
নেম
ডেট গুলো দেখে
নাম্বার কেস নাম্বার
কেস নাম্বার দেখে নেবে, যে জায়গায়
আমি করে দিচ্ছি। আর লাস্টে যেটা আছে না 17টা, সেটা তো ওয়ারেন্ট থাকবে না, ওয়ারেন্ট হয়নি। আমার জুনিয়র সব লিখে আপনাকে সব। I am grateful, my lord.
Thank you.
3 matters, my lord.
Similar, same order.
I am grateful, my lord. আপনি লিখে দিয়ে দিন।
Yes, 18. Yes. Who is in item number 18? Yes.
But in this matter, my lord, the learned ASG is appearing. And if your lordship kindly.
ASG?
Yes.
Why ASG?
Because I tell your lordship what has happened. An application for impleadment has been filed by Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. What has happened in this case is, my lord.
Tomorrow?
Investigate.
Tomorrow?
Lordship, after vacation in that case.
No. These are the especially assigned matter.
Lordship, in that case, lordship kindly keeps it next week.
Not next week, come tomorrow.
Lordship kindly keeps it next week.
It's admission hearing, sir. Nothing complicated matter. You go
Tomorrow, second half, my lord, the matter is fixed, lordship. That is the reason,
tomorrow first half, not second half.
First half.
On the prayer of learned recruit, what the
Kindly do not record any orders. I will come back before lordship tomorrow.
Okay, not today. Yes.
Not today.
Yes.
My lord, I am appearing. The matter is a clear example of an extortious claim being projected in form of an FIR. My lord, if your lordship allows me to portray the facts.
Yes, yes, sure.
My lord, on 27th of December, one of my employee, I am a business head of a company, and the opposite party number 2 happens to be the HR manager.
Yeah.
My lord, she was very irregular in office, and several complaints were there against her. I
What is your relation with the complainant?
My lord, I am the superior officer.
You are boss.
Yes.
And
she is also
she is
also
employee under
working
you.
Yes. Not under me exactly, but she is also holding office in there as HR manager.
She brought some prosecution against you.
Yes, my lord, allow. My lord,
what is the stage of
charge sheet has been submitted?
Charge sheet submit. Trial started?
No.
Charge has not yet.
Charge not.
What is your prayer?
My lord, for quashing. My lord, allows me 2 minutes.
Yes.
My lord, she was irregular in the office.
Yes,
she was taken to task.
I may understand.
My-
I may
no.
understand.
There are certain things.
No, so whether
These are relevant.
her service condition and late coming was under your control.
No, but I was under her, she was under my supervision. I, being the superior officer, I was supposed to regulate her service.
Okay.
In the company.
Including her attendance.
Attendance also.
Yes.
There were several complaints coming to me. I warned her that these things cannot go on for indefinite period. You should come regularly. My lord, she subsequently dropped her resignation. Thereafter, she prayed for extension in tenure. That was extended. And subsequently, after she again reinstated in the company, she wanted to discuss certain policy of the company for recruitment. She wanted me to discuss after the office hours. I said, okay, I will be leaving for home on 27th of December. She said, okay, allow me to discuss this while you are going home.
After resignation?
No, after resignation, she was extended. She prayed for extension.
Resignation was not accepted.
Yes, since she prayed for extension in tenure after filing the resignation. We said, okay, you can continue. I have pleaded in my petition, my lord, on oath. And my lord, on 27th of December, after the officer on the pretext that she will be going home, I need to drop her back to home and she will discuss certain things. While she got into the car, my driver was there. Everything is there. I have annexed the copy also.
Why you were so generous? Knowingly that there was a strenuous relation.
No,
between you
there
and
was no strenuous relation. Employer-employee, subsequently it was resolved.
Okay.
My lord, she started discussing the policies. She said, okay, let us go for a tea or some snacks. Let us go to a restaurant. Then we will discuss it. I said, okay, all right, we will go there. After that, we had discussed and subsequently she tried to discuss something more. That I have to secure her position in the company. And she also demanded certain amount from me. Personally. I said, this is not possible for me to extend. So far the company policy is all right. I will take into consideration. My lord, I immediately left the restaurant after paying the bill along with her in my car with my driver. I dropped her at her home. I was inside the car. I again came back to my home. On the following day, and while leaving the car, she threatened me that in the event you do not consider my prayer for my proposal for securing my position in the company with a higher designation and give me the money I asked for, I will implicate you in false criminal case. On the following day, I sent an email to the concerned police station, electronic complex, where the situation occurred. And thereafter, I submitted FIR, a complaint in written form before my residential jurisdictional police station. That complaint was registered as an FIR.
Yes.
My lord, that is at page 28 under section 308 subsection 3 of BNS. Extortion, old section extortion. That is at page 28. My lord, kindly comes to page 20.
You are praying for questioning of.
No, this is
that.
my complaint. This is my complaint. I lodged this FIR.
Oh.
I lodged this FIR.
Why you lodged?
Well,
Why you lodged complaint?
She threatened me to implicate in criminal case unless I pay her.
Okay. It is on page number 28.
Page 28, my lord, relevant portion, page 29 and 30. If your lordship kindly goes through.
You are Avikraha.
Yes.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, this FIR was lodged on 8th of January 2025. Your lordship can find the date.
7th of January.
7th of January it is dated,
Complaint,
but registered on 8th of January.
Registered on 8th of January.
8th of January.
Yes.
My lord, now in a retaliation to this FIR, she lodged her complaint even after a month. My lord, that is at page 33 onwards. My lord, 7th of February 2025.
24.
25. 1 month after I lodged my FIR, she came up with this allegation. Which culminated in submission of charge sheet against me.
That's why you are praying for questioning.
And my case is also pending against her. My lord, that's why.
Yes, and counter.
And my lord, one more thing, one more extremely relevant thing. My lord, the statement of the driver at page 45. After supply of copy, I have annexed this. At page 45, my lord, kindly turns.
Yes.
Page 45.
तिरंगा पानी का बागान में बाहर दारू के बाद दोनों गाड़ी में आए हम उसका घर छोड़ दिया.
Prosecution is relying on this statement.
Yes, he is your driver.
My lord, yes, he was present. He is a driver of the office. He was bringing us to home.
He supported your version.
My lord, that's why such a frivolous case, my lord. Subject to approval by your lordship, this is a fit case for stay.
For questioning.
For stay. As of now, after hearing the other side, your
Stay of what? Stay of what? Stay all further proceeding.
Yes. Here case number 470 of 2025.
Yes, take down. Learned advocate for the petitioner is present. He submits that petitioner, being the superior officer of complainant, OP number 2, at where is the place of working?
Place of working, my lord, office address. My lord, she has mentioned in the complaint itself.
And you stated everything without stating the name of the place where you are
My lord, it is
supervising
at
her.
page 36 in her complaint itself.
Employee of
My lord, it's
Sojas.
Sojas. Sojas Power.
Sojas Power Private Limited. কি লিখলাম? At Sojas SVOJAS Power Private Limited as appears from the complaint of sexual assault lodged by her on 7th February 2025, annexed at page number 36 of the revisional application. On the issue of during that course, some dispute cropped up among them. Complainant threatened petitioner to implicate him in false prosecution if not ensure her higher position and promotion. Out of said fear, petitioner lodged complaint before the officer in charge of Basdroni police station upon which Basdroni PS case number 29 dated 8th January 2025 under section 303.
No, 308, my lord. At the top it is written wrongly, but at the bottom it is 303 and
308
yes, ma'am.
bracket 3 of BNS was started. The said complaint is appeared at page number 28 and 29 of the application. In retaliation thereof, complainant lodged her complaint, lodged the instant complaint against the petitioner, which is the subject matter of this criminal revision. He further referred the statement of driver recorded by IO by SI of police, Techno City Police Station on 19th February 2025, wherein he stated in support of the version of petitioner. Accordingly, he prays for admission of this revisional application and pass an order to stay all the further proceeding in GR case number 470 of 2025 arising out of Technocity Police Station case number 23 of 2025 dated 7th February 2025 under section 74 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 pending before the court of learned CJM at Barasat, North 24 Paragana. Having heard the learned counsel and consider and perusal of the materials on record, I find a debatable issues has been raised is involved therein, which requires a detailed hearing accordingly. This criminal revision is admitted for hearing. The petitioner is directed to serve notice along with a copy of this revisional application to OP number 1 estate through the office of learned PP and OP number 2 at her postal address and file affidavit of service on the adjourned date. The proceedings pending before কি proceeding বলেছিলাম ওই সব দিয়ে দেবে ওখানে কেটে the proceedings of GR case number যে আছে GR case number গোটা এসে এখানে pending before this is stayed till the first week after the vacation or until further order, whichever is earlier. Let this matter appear on 19th. Yes.
Item number 20.
In item number 20, I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner. There is a delay of 11 days in filing the revisional application. I have not yet served with the copy upon the opposite party husband. Matter relating to maintenance. What has happened was initially the ACJM, standard ACJM Barasat, passed the interim maintenance. That order has not been challenged. We filed an execution case. That appealing that execution case, the opposite party husband prepared a revisional application before the learned session.
You are
yes,
no, your wife.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. In the list of dates, Lordship, I have categorically mentioned that when the order was passed, what are the orders? This has been I have mentioned. Now the arrears are also due, and the last second revisional application that is also pending, which is contrary to.
Why don't you move before the trial court?
My lord, revisional application is pending before the learned session says, preferred by the husband. I have challenged that order.
The application is pending before the session court. So why don't you raise these issues before the revisional court?
Everything has been asked before the revisional court. The application is still yet pending.
Multiplicity
And
of
this maintenance of
multiplicity of case would not serve any purpose.
We don't want any multiplicity of the proceeding. We want the revisional application to be disposed of at the earliest convenience so that the trial court may proceed with the main application. And let's see what has happened. The learned judge, while passing of the order, has not stated anything that how the area maintenance has to be cleared.
Yeah. What is your prayer? Let me first see. Passed by the London directed the opposite party number 2 to pay entire order of maintenance was passed by which court?
Order of maintenance was passed by the learned SC Jain Barashat, that is at page number 25. First, the maintenance order.
In which under section 125 proceeding. In which proceeding?
125 proceeding.
125 proceeding.
Yes, yes. Page number 25. First order passed by the magistrate, learned magistrate.
Then maintenance calculated as per the judgment dated 12th March 2025 passed by learned additional district and session judge 7th court in criminal revision number 90 of 2024. So why don't you make prayer before that court? Whether criminal revision has been disposed of?
No, Lordship. That is our prayer of prayer B.
And the area amount has been calculated by that court. Why don't you make prayer before that court? Matter is pending there.
Then Lordship may kindly direct that the revisional court should dispose of the revisional application as expeditiously as possible.
Direction, series of direction would not serve your any purpose. Did you mention before that court?
We tried several occasions, Lordship, but the matter has not been taken due to many reasons. If Lordship says I can produce all orders of showing that how the matter has been dragged.
You come tomorrow physically.
Come tomorrow. I'll come tomorrow physically. Come.
Yes. Tomorrow.
Yes.
Tomorrow. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. I am waiting for you, sir. I was under pressure. Both are same. Which movie you are talking about? Yes.
What? A22. Purchase the copyright of it.
Copyright of?
That movie.
Oh.
They copyright. Then once he finds out that it is being telecasted in Viacom and Geo Hotstar. Right? According to him, without his permission. Now he makes me an accused, describing me as the CEO of the company. Honorable, please, I don't wish to find outside. But please come to complaint.
Where is the complaint?
But he's a certified.
Are you submitting in item number 22?
Yes. Same, but I'm it's a statement of senior friend. Well, same.
Okay.
Page 36. It will be easier. The Lord needs not to go to everything.
Yes, yes.
It's 36 paragraph.
It's 36.
It is in the page 3.
Oh, no pagination is made there. Yes, 36. I am on page number 36. Para 3.
Yes.
The accused number 3 is a company incorporated under the provision of the company. GOMB. Okay. Chief Executive Officer. Yes. Who is complainant? Again.
Wow.
You are controlling authority? No.
I was never there, my lord. Because what she to please comes to page
Bajrang
23. Page 23. The records of the company.
Page 23.
Nothing is there, I don't know.
Yes.
Apart from us earning money before the pujas, these cases should not be allowed probably. But please comes to page 23.
Yes.
Now see the name, details of the banking director or director of the company.
Hmm.
Right, brother? Number comes name, Jyoti Deshpande.
Yes.
The present number 3.
Yes.
Number please come to the C. Her designation 9, Roman 9.
Yes.
Her designation is additional director. Has my word seen?
Hmm. Hmm.
Then, my lord, your lordship will please comes to when it comes to the next page. When it comes to clause 17.
Yes.
Next page, my lord.
Yes.
Question 17.
Yes, yes, I am there.
See, my lord,
In case of
is not associated with the company with effect from 25/7/18.
hereby confirm managing director. Managing director 18 is not associated with the company.
With effect from 25/7/18.
Okay. Yeah.
And the complaint is being filed in 2023.
Managing director 18 is not.
No. Managing the above mentioned director.
Okay. Okay, director. Yeah. Hmm.
So how can I try it? I'm nothing else.
No, you are not director. You are assistant director.
Addition that. Same
Yes.
thing. Addition district judge and district judge
No,
are
no.
accepting for the power.
Both are two different.
But state judges can do and both can hand persons.
No, so this is information about the director who is not associated with the company with effect from 25th July 2018.
Yes.
In
right.
that situation, you were in charge of director. Do you want to?
This is my resignation.
Okay.
My resignation from the directorship.
You are?
Jyoti Deshpande.
So here, at page number 23,
Yes.
Clause number 9, you were additional director.
Yes.
You were not director.
Director, additional director, I think.
Both are not same, sir. Additional means in addition to director.
Well, let us take it wrong.
Both are not same.
Just give me a second. Just give me a second, man. I'll just clarify what
Yes. You may every time. In any event, what you want to
Hey, but I was never in charge of the business of the company. Because I ceased to be a director. This is it. Malad, my case. So, number one. Number two, Malad, 202.
What is complaint against you?
But the complaint is I was the CEO of the company.
So how there is nothing is on record to show that you were CEO at any point of time.
No, no, sort of accepting, stating in
So these are the debatable question and disputed question of fact that should be decided. Yes.
This is a basic fact under which the court takes cognizance. Well, Lordship, this is not a GR case where the police investigates matter. It is a complaint case. Well, 1980 Calcutta Criminal Law Reporter, page 1. 1990 Criminal Law Reporter, page 1. Well, I think I must come to your court every day. I've learned the lesson. I've learned the lesson from my nephew. Well, see page 30.
I would be blessed.
No, madam, really.
Senior like you,
What she was thinking. But I can't page
I would get opportunity to learn something from you. No?
See page 31.
Yes, I am there.
See, Jyoti Deshpande,
Oh,
director.
here she is director. Yes,
Bottom.
yes.
The bottom.
Then you were referring. Yes, page 30.
Yes. One sees at the bottom. Then one sees
Bottom. Yes.
Director is not associated with the company with effect from 39/21.
Managing director. Yes, director is not associated with the company with effect from
39/21.
Yes.
And the complaint speaks about 23.
Oh, so definitely you were not a director
On the
at that point of time. Okay.
And
Same thing.
I was also paying for an issue order like my learning senior.
same company, same case.
The former.
Here is the complaint.
দুটো ফাইল দেওয়া আছে আমাদের 34
Certified copy, your lordship is looking certified copies.
আমারটা বলে দিচ্ছি পেজ 34
I
পেজ
will go there.
34 একই তো তোর same everything is it
Yeah.
he's we are 3 he's 4
Who is Bajrang Lal Agarwal?
the complainant
What is your relation?
no relation he says
Relation with company? Your company?
nothing he says he has a copyright for a movie which according to him was broadcast by Viacom, that is Mr. Chatterjee's client, accused number 3, without taking approval from him. This is the case.
And you are the CEO of that company, Viacom.
This he says, Bajrangla.
Bajrang Lal.
But the company doctor, yes. I'm grateful. I'm grateful.
Take down. Learned advocate for the petitioner. Is present and submits that petitioner, Ms. Jyoti Deshpande, was not associated with the accused number 3, Viacom Viacom 18 Media Private Limited. On the date of complaint, that is when what is the date of complaint? On 25th July 2023.
Yes, ma'am.
He refer
25th of July 23.
the entry made on form number DIR 12 he referred page number 23 of DIR form number 12 where the name of petitioner no 23 not 23 30
30 mark.
Page number 30 page number 30 of what?
Malad of the petition
22.
of item 22, Malad.
Of DIR for number
Yes,
12. To show that petitioner was director of the which company? Where is the name of company?
Malad Viacom 18. Malad number 3 in the complaint, Malad.
No, that is not mentioned in at page number 23.
Malad page 28, Viacom Media. Malad, it's given.
Form number.
Form DIR 12, Malad, at page 28.
Was director of Viacom 18 Media Private Limited. And she resigned from the company with effect from 30th September 2021. 21, yes. Why you referred 1990 CLR page number?
Malad, that is a complaint. Malad, this is a division bench judgment of our High Court, where they say a complaint has to consist of facts constituting such offense.
Such
offense.
Oh.
That is Malad Justice
He referred-
Mukherjee's judgment.
He referred 1919 Calcutta Law General, Law Reporter, page 1, in support of his contention that complaint must contain
Facts
of
the offense complaint of.
essential facts support essential ingredients of the offense.
I'm grateful, Malad, right. That's the experience of your lordships.
Oh.
No, true, Malad. No. True, Malad.
Yes. Therefore, he submits that allegations are baseless, omnibus, and should I mention company, not copyright?
No need.
Yeah, and is deserved to be quashed. Third, the submission of learned advocates peruse the material on record, and I find that debatable questions are involved in this case, which needs to be decided uh, uh, which requires detailed examination. Accordingly, this criminal revision is admitted for hearing. Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to serve notice along with a copy of the application to the
complainant opposite
estate, OP number 1 estate, through the office of the learned PP, and OP number 2 Bajrang Lal Agrawal at his postal address in YSP's post with a MD and file affidavit of service by the adjutant.
Well, prayer is at page 19, well, interim prayer.
Learned advocate for the petitioner refer page number 90 of the revisional 19 of the revisional application. For an order to stay all further proceeding in case number 11314 of 2023 pending before learned CJM at Court, Calcutta under section 63 and 69 of Copyright Acts 1957, read with section 6 AA of the cinematography Cinematograph Act 1952 and section 120B 420 of IPC, including the order dated 10th February 2025. What is that order?
Order taking cognizance?
By which learned trial judge has taken cognizance of the offence. Accordingly, all proceedings pending before the learned CJM.
Eighth court.
Judicial Magistrate 8th Court, Calcutta. Then why
wrongly, my lord?
Okay, CJM যে বলেছি 8th court থাকবে না।
No, my lord, it will be JM's 8th court.
JM 8th court, yes. Calcutta till the first week after the vacation or until further order, whichever you
I am grateful.
And let this matter appear on 19th September. 19th September for filing of affidavit.
Affidavit of service. Grateful, man.
Thank you. Thank you. ये दोनों में हो जाए.
चलो.
Same order.
Same order.
Same order, sir.
Same order. Company. Same order.
In 21, the petitioner is the company.
Company. Only that. 3.
So,
Same.
Accordingly, they can have a petitioner. Call the list.
Involvement of the company is patently submissions made by my learned senior.
चलो.
In 1921, my lord,
তুই বসে করে দে না, my lord তো বলছে তো। আরে my lord কে উঠতে দে, 4:45 বাজলো।
Submissions made by my learned senior friend that the person who is responsible for the company is illegally robbed. The involvement of the company is also patently illegal. That is my submission.
बस ठीक है.
Legal, illegal. I am not going to say anything legal. That would be decided
up together. Both the matters may be taken up together. Hey, my lord, ঠিক আছে.
Item number 10.
Sorry.
Pass out matter. Yes.
Item number 10, my lord, my lord directed me to take instructions, my lord. My instructions are, my lord, the next date before trial court is fixed for charge sheet only. Filing of charge sheet in 2026 January, my lord.
Filing of charge sheet,
My lord, the charge sheet is yet to be filed by the police authorities. The next date before.
not yet filed.
Yes, my lord. The next date before trial court is fixed in January.
Then what is your prayer?
My lord, I'm praying for I'm praying for stay, my lord. They are old and
Stay of what?
stay of the proceedings, my lord.
What proceeding?
The instant proceeding, if it can.
Instant proceeding means
My lord, the 498.
investigation. Should I stay in investigation?
My lord, I understand, my lord. Then kindly admits the matter, my lord, and fixes it.
Admission may be there.
My lord,
Investigation could not be
my
yesterday.
lord, it's
That's why I asked you
my lord. I apologize.
exclusively that whether charge sheet has been submitted or not.
Charge sheet has not
And
been-
however, more than 2 years has been lapsed.
My lord, I have already instructed my lord the petitioners to take some steps before the lower court.
Yes, take down. Learned advocate for the petitioner is present. She prays for. She submits. That petitioners are husband, father-in-law and mother-in-law of OP number 2 who lodged a complaint against them under section 498A of IPC. She further submits that petitioner, when she left her house, her matrimonial house,
My lord, 28th May 2023.
she left her matrimonial house on 28th May 2023 while lodged complaint on 12th September 2023 after gap of about 4 months. Allegations are omnibus in nature. Heard the submission, having heard the learned counsel, and upon perusal of material available on the record, I find a debatable question are involved in this case, which requires detailed examination. Accordingly, this criminal revision is admitted for hearing. The learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to serve notice along with a copy of the application to OP number 1 estate through the office of learned PP and OP number 2 at her postal address through a speed post with AD and file affidavit of service by 19th. Let this matter appear on adjourn date kar debe, let this matter adjourn till 19th.
My lord, before my lord, I
Yes,
am permitted to mention just one matter, my lord. My lord, in item number 11, my lord, when it was called on for hearing, my lord, I was trying to join the proceeding via the virtual mode, but for some technical reason, I was unable to do so, my lord. My lord, if on my prayer, my lord, can be made just simple, not today, my lord, and to retain its position, my lord.
Order has already been passed and you come tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
No adverse order has been passed. So,
Deeply.
আজকে কটা হলো 20 बस बहुत नहीं हुआ आज हम 40-50 खींचना चाह रहे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।